Hello! Right now we will go through the first setup of Redmi Note 14. So let's begin. Let's press this arrow right here to go next. And right here we have to select our language. And right here we have a lot of languages actually. I will select the English language. Alright. Here we can also choose region. Let me select the United States, alright. And go next. And right here we have to agree the terms and conditions of the of using this phone. So let's select that we agree and go next. Right here we can set up using another device, and if we want to move data from our old device, which is Android or the iPhone or iPad, you simply have to select one of these options and follow the on-screen instructions which will be appearing to configure the device using the other device. But we will not do it right now, so let's skip this one. And right here we have to connect to the network, so let me quickly connect to the internet. Alright, we are connected, and right now let's let's go next and let's wait for the phone to get ready. It might take a little bit, so be patient until it gets done and we can move forward. Alright, right here we can sign in to the Google account, but actually, alright, I will maybe log into this Google account and we will go through this setup with the Google account. Alright, we are logged in. What do we have here? Keep account. Let's keep this one. And here are the terms and conditions for the usage of the Google. Let's agree this one and let's go. Let's move forward. Alright, right here we can choose to transfer apps and photos and contacts, and we can actually, let's see, what do we have here? No backups. Alright, so if you have backups made on your Google account, you can make a backup on your new phone. So yeah, that's it. But we don't have any backups, so let's move forward. Like right here. Here are the Google services, and I will personally disable all of them, and I also recommend to disable all of them and go next, accept. Here are the backups. You can set up automatic backups for your device. I will actually not use this function, but it is actually recommended to use the backups for the photos and all the data which is important on your phone. Right here we can choose our browser and search engine. So let's see, we have various different options right here. I will select the Google Chrome as default, and the search engine also I will select the Google one. And right here we can set the screen lock. It can be either fingerprint, face lock, or only screen lock, which might be probably password, PIN, or the pattern. So let me set the pattern real quick. And right here we have the information to remember our password, and in case if we forget it, we have to erase all the data on our device, including photos and contacts, to set a new one. So be sure to remember your screen locks. So right now I will set up the new pattern like this. Alright, and from there we can continue the full setup with the Google, and we can also leave and get a reminder to continue the setup later. So let's actually continue this one later, and basically that should be all about the right here we have also basic settings, and I will also disable all of them, me personally. You can also do this, you can leave some of them on, is up to you actually, but I will turn them on off. There's the parental controls, we will not need them actually. Right here we can set up font for our phone, which is the default, and here we have the Mi Sans font. And we can also get some new other fonts in the themes application later. Right here we can select a default launcher. Here is this classic one, and the app drawer, which basically is more comfortable and is kind of like, in my personal opinion, it is better. So I will leave the app drawer. And basically right now that should be all about the first setup of the Redmi Note 14. And yeah, right now we have to wait for the system to like setup, and we will be forwarded to the home screen. And yeah, that should be it basically. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.